Hi, I'm Allie. Join me as I show you how to do some simple crystal link jewelry featuring some oval jump rings, whether or not you want to just start out your jewelry journey and use some fun charms on the bottom, or get a little bit more complex and have some fun in adding some other techniques. You can get all of your supplies like your charms and jump rings as well as your crystal links by clicking on the description below the video and getting links to get back to our website. Gather up your supplies, which are just a couple, and let's get started. So I've been having a lot of fun wearing and creating with the crystal links. We've done these earrings showing how to do the classic crystal drop earring, working with the links here in the emerald. We have the gold links, the silver links here where you can put in with jump rings. And I wanted to show you also that you can use the links with things like the new knotting cord, and you have that there. And then show you how you can make jewelry really without any knowledge of how to make jewelry and the way to work with it. So the links are perfect because all you need is some jump rings. These are oval jump rings, which I prefer to work with when I'm linking things together, like the bracelet here in the smaller size. The reason I like the oval jump rings is because they are harder to open up. That link there where it sits often does not line up with the oval jump ring, which has the slit in the middle of the oval. So I love the oval jump ring. You can do something as simple as taking 2 of these jump rings in the oval selection and adding them to 2 Athenacast charms and then right on to your ear wire. So I figured I'd show you how to do that and give you the idea then how to open up those jump rings to create something like a bracelet or even the earrings as well. When you're holding on to the oval jump ring, it's nice if you can get a second pair of pliers there, but you don't need it. What you're going to do is just like you're opening around a jump ring, you're going to grab near that slit or that opening and pull to the side. When you pull to the side, that oval jump ring comes open to the side, but you don't lose that oval shape. If I turn it to the side, you can't even tell that it's open at this point. You're then going to take your charm and put it on, your crystal link and put it on. Go back in now and hold your oval jump ring with your hands or your pliers and bend the other one back into place. Whenever you're closing, you want to go past where you think it's going to stop because it'll spring back a tiny bit because of that tension. Now notice when you're wearing it, that link does not stop and the charm does not stop right where the opening is. So it's a fun one. Same thing when you go into the top here of your ear wire, and I picked this one, the filigree Leverback, because it gets a little bit of that shell look as well for a nice pair of beachy earrings. Open it, turning to the side and closing. So the links, whether or not they are the crystal links like this or the gemstone links, really offer a great introductory way to get into jewelry making and making your own designs with very little effort. Turning to the side there, putting your link on there, closing up, putting that guy down, opening up your ear wire, and see how easy it is to take those fun charms in the charm collections and go in and create. You can also, like I said, watch that classic dangle pearl earring, and you can check out too, if you want to use the links in the center of the knotted cord, how to do a link and macrame bracelet video too. So a number of different videos. I just want to bring your attention to the ease of creating your own jewelry when working with crystal links, or you can also check out a bunch of links that we have in the Athenacast. Thanks so much for joining me in this quick little video of how to work with crystal links. Remember, if you like the crystal links, you will also love the links that you can find in our Athenacast metal collection as well. You can get links to get back to our website in the description of this video below. If you haven't yet, hit that little subscribe button, and after you make your link jewelry, make sure to post photos in our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. As always, thanks so much for joining, and stay tuned for more inspirational designs.